Hello everyone, I hope you are doing so good. This is Mustafa Saadi, a technical consultant, and I have more than 10 years of experience in developing software applications, even mobile applications and mobile games. You can find it out on my official website, sa3dy.com. Are you trying to choose the perfect backend programming language but feeling overwhelmed by all the options? Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned developer, selecting the right language can make or break your project. In this video, I will break down the pros and the cons of the most popular backend languages, when to use each one, and how to decide which fits your needs best. So let's dive in. Today we will talk about the trendy questions these days, which is the unlimited guide to choose the right language for back-end programming. So let's talk about what is back-end development. Back-end development powers the logic and databases and APIs behind the applications you use every day. It's responsible for processing user requests, handling data storage and retrieval, managing authentication and security, and ensuring the scalability and performance of the application. But with so many languages out there, like JavaScript and Python and Java and Go and ASP.NET, how do you pick the right one? So let's break them down. Now we will talk about the top backend languages. Each language has strengths and weaknesses. Let's go over the best options. The first language is the language with us is JavaScript, as we can say Node.js. Why we use JavaScript or Node.js? It's perfect for full stack development, front end and back end, both written with JavaScript. It has a huge ecosystem with npm packages, and it's non-blocking IO for real-time applications like chats applications and streaming videos or audios services. The drawbacks of JavaScript is it's a single-threaded language, not best for CPU intensive tasks, and callbacks and async code can get some tricky. The JavaScript and Node.js is best for startups and real-time applications, like we say above, chat applications, streaming audio and video applications, and serverless functions. The second language with us is Python, which we mean the Django and Flask and Fast API. Why we use Python? Python is easy to learn, great for beginners. It has rich ecosystem for data science and AI integrations. The frameworks like the Django offer very rapid development. The drawbacks of Python is it is slower than combined languages and not ideal for high performance applications. But Python is best for web applications and AI powered systems and automation. The third language is Java. We mean Spring Boot. Why we use Java or Spring Boot? It is a high performance and scalable language and enterprise level of security and stability, and also it provides strong multi-threading support. The drawbacks of Java or Spring Boot is the verbose syntax, more lines of code for simple tasks. Also, a slower development time compared to Python and JavaScript. Java is best for enterprise applications and large scale systems. Also, banking softwares. The fourth language with us is Go, which is known also with Golang. We use Golang extremely because it's extremely fast and compiled language for its simple syntax and the powerful of styling and coding. and it is great for microservices and the cloud-based applications, but we have some drawbacks like smaller community compared to Java or Python, fewer libraries and frameworks. Golang is best for scalable cloud services and performance heavy applications. The fifth language today with us is PHP. Also, we can say Laravel. Why we can use PHP now? It still powers a huge percentage of the web, like WordPress and Magento. Laravel makes development efficient. It is great for traditional web applications, but also it has some drawbacks, like not the most modern language, less popular for new projects. PHP or Laravel best for CMS platforms and e-commerce applications and the traditional web development. Now we talk about how to choose the right language, how you can choose this perfect language for your application. Which language should you use? We have three main questions to answer to get the right language best suit for us. The first question is what type of project you are building. If you are building a real-time application, you will go for JavaScript and Node.js. If you are building a heavy data or a data heavy application or AI based application, you will go directly with Python. If you are building a high performance enterprise application, you will go with Java. If you are building a fast and scalable cloud service, you will go with the Golang. If you are building a content-driven website, you will go with PHP. The second question is what is your experience level? If you are a beginner, start with Python or JavaScript. Both are easy to learn languages. Want performance? Learn Go and Java. That's simple. The third and last question is what is your career goal? Want to work at big companies? Java and Python are in demand. If you want to build startups and freelance, go with JavaScript, Node.js, or even PHP will work well. Okay, now you know which backend language suits your needs. Which one are you learning or using right now? Drop comment below if you have any question. If you found this helpful, smash that like buttons and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future programming guides. See you in the next video. Goodbye.